Hello everyone, I'm your friend Adhiraj Paramveer Bhateja. Today I'm going to tell you how to very easily apply Charak on clothes. It brings shining to our clothes and make them look as good as new. So learn how to apply Charak on the clothes and don't forget to subscribe Frolic Smile. As I have already shared colored clothes dry cleaning, here we are using the dry cleaned saree. Now we will apply Charak on this saree. For applying Charak, we need 1.5 liter of water, 2 spoons Fevicol. Here we have used normal Fevicol which we use in day-to-day life. Now mix them all together. Friends, dry cleaning is a vast subject, so we have to do it very carefully. And if you have not watched my dry cleaning videos yet, then please do watch them. You will gain some great knowledge. Now take other pot and a strainer over it. Take a cloth onto the strainer. You can go with handkerchief as shown in the video. And now stain the mixture you prepared for removing clot from the mixture. Now take a tub and pour the solution into the tub. Friends, Charak helps in bringing the shiny layer onto the cloth. We can use this Charak for light work, sari, blanket and other clothes as well. We have to do it with soft hands and we don't have to squeeze the cloth. We will keep the cloth in our hands like this to remove the extra water. Remember, again, we don't have to squeeze the cloth. After the process, we will dry the cloth into the sunlight. So friends, this is how we apply Charak to the clothes. I will be coming up with more videos of dry cleaning, cooking and handicrafts. Please stay with Frolic Smile and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.